Okay, let's talk about the transactions tab. As we covered on some of the earlier sections, like the budget, as we start to incur expenses, we are going to need to record them. As we get our bank statements, as we get our credit card statements, we're spending the money somewhere, so we do need to record it. And this is where we would do it. How this tab works from a data entry standpoint is there's a drop-down menu for every one of these cells. And what you want to do is choose one of the items that is part of your budget. In other words, every line item in your budget will appear in your transactions tab. You can have it sorted alphabetically, or you can have it sorted as it's seen on the budget tab. So say, for example, you know you're working in this miscellaneous section towards the bottom. When you choose the drop down, it will be displayed in that order. So it will not be alphabetical. By default, we will keep it alphabetical. So you enter the category, the cost code, the specific line item for your budget, how much you spent, the date that you spent it, how you paid it. Let's just say credit card. If you want to get fancy, you can even put in a reference to the credit card, say, 1234, that's the last four of the credit card number. We can say these are, draft 5 if it's an architect, and then who your architect is, Joe Architect. And the same thing, and this just repeats on and on and on. So you just want to make sure that you're recording every one of your transactions as you are incurring them, or as your bookkeeper is recording them in their software and feeding them back to you. A little helpful hint, if you do have a bookkeeper, share this with them so they can give you an export of this exact format with the columns. So all you have to do is copy and paste from them. Just paste as a default value, and it'll refill all of this, and you won't have to enter anything. If there are any other questions, certainly reach out to us.